Hi, I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Today, I am excited to take you on a walking tour of one of the most beautiful beaches in Portugal, PraiDo. Trust me, this place is a must-visit for all beach lovers out there. So, get ready to witness the mesmerizing beauty of this stunning location as we walk along its sandy shores. Before we begin, don't forget to click that like button if you're as excited as I am about exploring this beautiful destination.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe my Patreon. Link below.
As we walk, you will see several beach bars and restaurants where you can enjoy a refreshing drink or a delicious meal while taking in the stunning views of the ocean. One of the things that make PraiDo unique is that it is never too crowded, even during peak season. So, you can always find a quiet spot to relax and enjoy the tranquility of this beautiful place. The best time to visit PraiDo is in the early morning or late afternoon when the sun is not too strong and the beach is less crowded. The beach is also accessible to everyone, including families with young children, as the water is shallow and safe to swim. As we end our walking tour, I hope you enjoyed witnessing the natural beauty of PraiDo. Don't forget to write a comment below and let me know what you think about this stunning location. Thank you for joining me on this walking tour, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out my other travel content. Until next time, happy travels.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you in the next one. Bye.